Hey everyone, I just thought I would take a minute and share with you what I've been doing this week. In addition to my tours, I offer an airport shuttle service for up to 8 people because that's what my van fits. I worked for an airport shuttle service back when I was in college, and I remembered how much I liked it, but I also thought that it would be a good way to get through the winter months and make sure there's some cash flow coming in, and that the winter months weren't just months that we completely took off. You know, most companies are just going to pick you up at the time that you asked to be picked up and drop you off, and that's it. You'll maybe get some decent conversation with the driver, maybe not. It just depends. And I like to think that I offer a service that's much higher than that, and this week that really came into play. Like this guy that I picked up, he was traveling a couple of hours from Schiphol Airport, and I think it was just easier for him to know that somebody was going to be there to pick him up and help him out with luggage and things like that, and how to get where he was going. That door-to-door service. I don't think he knew at the time that I was going to help him out after I dropped him off, but I'm more than happy to do that if I have time and I know enough about where you're at. I'm happy to help out and share any information I have. This student that came in to Schiphol Airport and then went about 2 hours away from there had never been to the Netherlands before, didn't know anything about how things worked here, and so I told him, hey, if you have any questions or you need any help with anything, just let me know. I'm more than happy to share the information that I've learned. I'm still new in the Netherlands, but if I can help out with any of the hurdles that we ran into, that maybe you don't have to make those same mistakes or have those same challenges. And so he's contacted me a few times, and even asked me to help him navigate around the city a little bit, and I'm more than happy to do it. As long as I don't have other tours or people to pick up at the airport and things like that, I'm more than happy to help out and share in my limited knowledge of the Netherlands at this point. And for me, it's the service, and I don't have all the answers. I certainly don't know everything there is to know about the Netherlands, but I do know that I can provide a high level of service because that's what I built my wine career on, and I don't see why it would be any different with this particular company. So if you or anybody you know needs that airport shuttle service, I'd be happy to help you out. My rates are extremely reasonable because it's not my main business, and so I'm happy to any time of the day get you to and from not just Schiphol, but just about any airport in the area. Until next time, cheers.